Oh, shucks. That's true because water was on time. All right. These lovely ladies come out to volunteer. Rain under them skin, but then dress up hot same way. Which part? Where we going? Here, this way? Yeah.
Yes, no, this way. No, this
Where? At the last out Senny. Who a photograph? Sorry, what is it? You can take picture meanwhile, you know?
Oh,
By touching the camera.
okay.
Yeah, so while the video roll, you can take picture.
Hold on there.
How cute, eh?
Yeah, she get it, she get it.
Miss Senny, go give her already. What's your name? Miss Beth.
No, you're past the white
The
gate.
red gate? Pink gate, red gate? What did you
No, not so far. You're not so far. Beside the white wall.
Come, I think me have an idea.
Right, the house beside the white wall.
Miss Bev.
Miss Jackie walking in the grass because it look like a mud.
Hello. You want me to do a favor?
Chanel, what you talk to? She say. Chanel, what you say?
You want me to do a favor? Well, when are you carrying that bag to? I don't want to go on the video. We don't want to do it by
Morning. Morning, morning. Where are you there? Oh, where your father? Oh. No, after a while.
After a while.
Jesus Christ, God Almighty.
You like your boot where you have and tell you to wash off.
Wee! Wee!
Every time rain fall here, so some more water.
Yeah.
Oh, lady, you put water on my boot.
Sorry.
Carry on.
Good morning.
Yes? Alright, we have all Oh, bro.
Hi.
Good morning. I am Monday from the Monday Times Foundation. And we're blessing up some people in the area with some food bags. I hear that you have a disabled daughter? Yes. But me foolish, me not to walk with one pack of pampers in case.
No, not
She not wear pampers? Oh, she has mental disorder. Okay. Alright. And you look like you have a condition too.
And the flood was
What happened to your toe?
even maybe like in October, I had to go to a church so run off the water from the gate and the splash and from the diabetic. And it break up my toe, I go doctor. And it heal up so nice. We sit down here for 3 weeks now. No go nowhere, just go after dressing.
Okay. So how is it coming along? Is it healing properly?
Sunday, I go to church the 1st of February. So I trying to say, Lord, no, I'm going back and make it touch again. The water. The water come in instead.
Tuesday, Ghana?
No, the 1st of February.
Oh, okay.
And reach me here, saying at the house, and my pastor called me and said, come out of the house. So I said, reach right there, so. I just say water reach me
Did you?
Kirk Church.
Wow.
I have to stay on the hand and one guy come and hold me and my daughter. If that water reach she, so she start bawling, mommy.
So then you can't swim, miss? You can't swim? No, sir.
Yeah, read the TV.
Oh, God. Everything.
When they help people and price goes to come
Yeah.
by Kirk Church. Turn off the story for me, Anna. Please.
Let me pass. The lady lose all her, let me pass, yeah. Settee, flood out. So this is bed, the mattress destroyed and everything. 2 TV.
Everything. When I stand up
Oh,
right there,
God.
I just see the water take the fridge and I go so. I can't do nothing.
But in your backyard, you flood way right now, man. Yeah. As the rain do. Oh my gosh. Wow. Radio, iron, everything mash up in the flood waters. Wow. So that young lady sitting inside, that's your daughter? Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Let me say hi to her. Sorry for coming with me. You can't give her a bag, you know? Give her a bag.
If you come in, you can come in.
No, I'm not dirty for place.
When I map and water, my mother say anything soap and bleach.
She nice. Hello.
Alright, go right in and look. Come here, show you the room them. Come here, me can't use the room them.
Hi, I am Miss Jackie. What's your name? You're Hannah? You're such a beautiful girl. She's nice and look humble. She quiet. Yeah.
She bad, she not like rain and through the flood and she never
Yeah,
see
she's
flood
scared.
before.
Oh, the
she start
first
get
experience.
scared.
Wow.
Yeah, and she always hate rain.
But like how she not so tall, is supposed to come way up on her.
Yes, I may tell us yes,
Way
I reach
over
her.
her. Oh my gosh. And she start for panic.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I'm glad said he never kick off.
Yeah.
And sometimes they kick off police up and come and get past it.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad, thanks be to God, they never kick
So
off.
are you and her alone live here?
Okay.
Okay.
Our father died.
Her father died.
The 9th of August.
But how is your toe coming along? Your toe is healing
Well, this
properly?
one heal and this one you know. Give me a little fight, but then give me antibiotic, cream and antibiotic med tablet.
Yeah.
Take.
Well, I
But
pray
our
God that
clinic,
it will heal
in the name
properly.
of Jesus.
Yes, because you have your daughter to take care of.
Yeah.
You have other family members that help you with her sometimes?
No, they're far out. Or like,
So if any little thing, I just neighbors you
church
depend on and so
sisters,
church family. Okay.
Yeah, church family.
What you
We
say?
are
You show me
Rockabessa.
now. Your family, they all the way at Rockabessa?
No, my church family.
Oh,
And
fam.
and the sisters then come up. Because the Wednesday morning, when the nurse come and see the state, and I told them, she said, you can't go back to your house, you know.
Yeah, cause too much water.
Mud.
Mud.
Lava.
Jesus.
And I tell you, say,
Come
me
show me
so-
where you are. Show me around here, so.
So then can go see for you. Because tomorrow she will go back to school and she see the rain.
Oh, she goes to school. That's nice.
JFLL. But you can-
Yes, yeah,
Jamaica language.
JFLL, right. Yeah.
This is where the water reach in here.
So so this is the water level.
Level.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
man,
So this room had in furniture?
yeah, bed and TV and so on.
Oh, some of the stuff outside was in this room.
Yeah, the bed.
Oh, so where is her room? This was her room? She not sleep alone. Oh, well, all the better you can get for
My
monitor.
room and the front room I did give her.
This room was hers.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you still have things put up, me see like you still a dry stuff.
Yeah, yes. And the all of the clothes them were in find the closet in here.
Yeah.
So whenever run out of the house, I take them down and wash them.
Way up there, so my gosh.
All them and I wash it.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't go those
So every time the rain come, you don't have to do this thing over and over.
At the first, me I get flooding in my life.
Chicho. Okay, so you're not used to it.
On the hill.
Okay.
But so I come home back now, 24, 30, I come home back and I live at town.
Yeah.
And